Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite, and today I will show you how to record screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle for the screen recorder, which looks to be right over here. And once you find it, you can tap on it and this will automatically start recording. Or before you actually do that, we can hold it and this will take us to the settings, where we can tap on the actual settings. And in here we have, well, obviously the settings for the video recording. And there's a couple things that you might want to change. Resolution I'll set to the highest one. Then we have quality, so bitrate. I'll probably go for the 20 if you're looking for a decent looking footage. If you're recording gameplays on your phone, things like that, I would set it to the highest as possible. If you're doing something that doesn't actually require a lot of quality, then you can drop it down and it will save you a little bit more storage. Now, when it comes down to bitrate itself, it will be very apparent that it's low when you have something moving. So with a low bitrate, if you swipe from page to page on your home screen, the swiping motion will just make the quality look atrocious, and once it stops moving, it will basically regain that quality after a second or so. Then we have orientation, so you can set it to be automatic, which will be based on the phone itself right now, or lock it to portrait or landscape while recording. Sound source, you have either mic or system, no both unfortunately. Select which one you want. You can also mute it if you don't want anything. Fixed frame rate, I would keep this on, and then frame rate, I would set it to the highest, especially if you're trying to record some gameplays, like I said. If you're trying to record something, I don't know, an instruction or something like that, you could probably drop it lower. But the lower you go, the worse it's gonna look. It's gonna be almost unpleasant to look at, in my opinion. And there is not much difference between 24 and 30, honestly, but there will be a huge difference between 15 and 30. So just keep that in mind. If it looks really bad, like a fast slideshow, you might want to just bring up the frames here. And apart from that, we also have some toggles. So we have lock screen to end, so lock the device to finish recording. Show touch input, so whenever you touch the display, it will show a semi-transparent gray dot where your finger was touching the screen. Visualize navigation buttons, so when you press, I guess, backwards, things like that, menu, it will show it somehow. And then go back to screen recorder. Once you're finished recording, it will open up basically all the recorded footage. So it will open up this page right here. Because there was no other settings, I'm just gonna leave it. And like I said before, all you need to do now is simply tap on a toggle to start recording. There's a countdown, and whatever you will do will now be recorded. And to finish it up, just tap on the little thing here, tap on the square, and this will save it. And as you can see, it just disappears after a second. So if you want to go to and view the footage, hold the toggle for it, and it will take you to the storage right here. And as you can see, there we go, allow. It's right now playing. So everything that I was doing was being recorded. So that is how you record your screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.